Did you know that most Boston property owners are losing $20,000 plus a year and didn't even realize it? Today I'm going to show you how to spot those leaks, fix them, and turn your properties into cash machines, even if you're just starting off small. So I'm Jarrett Lau at Profitable Properties Boston. I own over 50 plus profitable cash flowing properties, and my team and I have helped hundreds of landlords transform stress and chaos into steady passive income. If you want more cash flow and less drama, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn an underperforming property into a real asset. And you'll see if stocks, real estate, or a blend of both is the fastest path to wealth for you. Plus, I'll walk through a real Boston case study with actual numbers. So let's break it down. Stocks are easy to buy and sell. One tap on your phone and you're in or out. Historically, you're looking at 7 to 10% returns per year. Stocks are highly liquid, so if you need the money tomorrow, you got it. You can spread your risk across hundreds of different companies, and there's no dealing with tenants and no midnight emergency phone calls. But there is a catch. So you have zero control. CEOs, the market, even the world events, they all decide your fate. Markets can crash super fast. You can lose 20% in a week or gosh knows a day. And most people end up buying high and selling low. It's just human nature. Now with real estate you own something real and tangible. You get monthly cash flow from rent, money in your pocket every single month. And property values in Boston typically rise about 4 to 6% per year. You can get major tax advantages. Think depreciation, write-offs, and even 1031 tax exchanges. You can use leverage. That means you control a $500,000 property with as little as $100,000 down, or even less. You get to choose the upgrades, pick your tenants, and set the rent. But again, there's trade-offs. Real estate isn't liquid. You can't just sell overnight if you need the cash fast. There will be repairs, maybe vacancies, and yes, sometimes you're going to have a tough tenant. And you may have to manage those assets or hire a pro to do it for you. So let me give you a real world example. Sarah owned 3 units in the Boston area. All the stress and expenses, she was just making about $400 a month. She felt stuck, and honestly, she was thinking about selling. We came in, we helped her invest $15,000 in smart renovations, use professional marketing, and we put our management system into place. So what happened? Her rents went up by $850 a month, net cash flow, and now it's over $1,600 a month. Her building appraised $90,000 higher in just 14 months, and here's the best part. Sarah hasn't taken a single repair call in over a year. So let's bust some common myths. You do not need a ton of money to get started in real estate. There's creative ways, even here in Boston. Now, is real estate riskier than stocks? Not if you run your numbers and treat it like a real business. Do you think that property managers eat your profits? Not when you have the right team and the right systems in place. Don't want to deal with tenants? Good. You shouldn't have to. That's our job. So here's my rule for every single client. If you want simplicity and liquidity, stocks are great. You get easy access and quick movement. If you want control, cash flow, and a way to multiply wealth with other people's money, real estate's going to be your move. But honestly, the best investors own both. Use stocks for growth and easy access to your money, and you can use real estate for steady, predictable income and long-term wealth. And always remember, only invest in what you truly understand. Now, I'd love to hear what's your biggest question or fear about investing in real estate. You can drop it into the comments or DM me. I read every single one, and I'm going to do my best to answer them personally.